Donald Trump is sparking global panic. As of today, the U.S. is slamming the door on visas for 75 countries, and two of the most explosive additions to that list are Russia and Iran. Here's what's actually happening. The Trump administration has ordered an indefinite freeze on immigrant visa processing for 75 countries, according to an internal State Department memo. Officers have been told to deny visas while the government re-examines how applicants are screened and vetted. The list is sweeping, and it also includes countries like Afghanistan, Somalia, Yemen, and Thailand. Officials say this is about national security and vetting, with officers now instructed to weigh factors like health, age, English proficiency, and whether applicants might rely on public benefits once in the U.S. So to address the elephant in the room, is this about terrorism? Partly, but it's also about geopolitics. The move comes as Donald Trump weighs potential military actions against Iran following mass protests and threats of executions by the Iranian regime. Has the U.S. done this before? Yes, but rarely at this scale. Trump's first-term travel ban targeted specific countries. This is broader, indefinite, and more aggressive, effectively freezing legal immigration for millions overnight. Reaction has been swift. Fear, anger, confusion, especially from families waiting to reunite and dissidents fleeing repression. Bottom line, this isn't just immigration policy, it's a warning shot, and the world is watching anxiously to see what comes next.